are they doing? It's fire department, right? Oh, they're just watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just watching. Heck, they might need to be needed for the guy that's passed out across from the building. Seriously, he doesn't look good. Oh shit! Well, he hit the rocks, didn't he?
It's not the first time, so.
Yeah, it's a little bit shallower.
What, on the rocks?
Oh yeah, look at the rocks. Those didn't used to be like that. Those didn't used to be that.
Did you even get that?
Well, if it's recording, yeah, I did. I can't tell. It's really, really bright out. Wait a second. Why is this not storing on the external? Well, I wasn't paying attention, but I held it right there, so should be there. How bad is it, Ricky?
No kidding.
It did it last time I ran. I was going down and it jerks right and flipped around. I wasn't close to the rocks then.
Well, at least you didn't crack anything too bad, did you? Oh yeah.
That's pretty bad.
Not too bad.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
Just the whole
It's a it's a catamaran. It sort of needs that though, doesn't it?
Oh man. No,
Just
it
a
wasn't
little
that bad.
Oh well.
Still good? I'll get him wet.
I wouldn't get that close. There's a lot.
Got a plug?
Oh wow. It's a lot of water. Maybe you should. They might not want you to come out and watch them. The way this is going. Maybe you should just call yourself the Lone Ranger because you seem to be running all by yourself today, Nick. That fix looks nice.
Pink Panther ready to go again?
Yep.
So is Ricky faster than you guys?
That's what happened last time.
You guys are gonna run him right straight into them. Oh. Has he tried to draft or something?
Whoa!
Oh! No, it's still there.
My radio does that.
What, doesn't respond?